Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Cruze. Stock number is A7827. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, Cruze audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.